Collaborate in style with the NBF Signature Series at-work conference tables. This expansive collection offers a variety of table sizes and designs, all with at-work signature look, including a brushed nickel powder coat finish and perforated panel accents. Tabletops feature a durable melamine laminate surface with PVC edge banding, while supported on a sturdy steel frame with large leveling feet. Choose a table to meet your needs with a seamless or sectional construction. The extendable tables allow you to easily assemble and adapt. Section secure with interlocking metal hardware. Combine 4-foot end caps with 3-foot and 4-foot extensions to create the perfect fit for larger spaces. Extensions include built-in power modules with 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. Furnish and refresh your entire space by pairing your at-work table with a variety of matching products. Mix and match items for even more savings, and see for yourself why at-work continues to be our most popular signature collection.